Hey, so you handle internal IT support for your small to medium organization, and you need some help. You don't want to be replaced, but you could use some help, whether it be help on specific things like servers, infrastructure, or the like, or on security, business intelligence, desktop end users, whatever. But you don't want someone to come in and try to take your job. It's co-managed IT services. And honestly, we've written the books on it. And we also talked about this on the Tuesday that was aimed more at the CEOs. But we've written the books on co-managed IT services. Simplex-IT, we are the experts on co-managed IT services. I've spoken at just about every conference there is in the managed service world, and now it's time to talk to you. So we're going to have this webinar on Thursday, January 20th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern. It's a free open webinar where we're going to spend about an hour, and we're going to go into details not just about what it is, but it's about the details behind what types of plans, what types of approaches there are that can be tailor-made to your needs. Because you may be sitting there going, I need help on the server side or the more complicated side, or I need help because we've got so many end users, or I'm actually doing fine, but I need the tools to make us more productive. Whatever the case is, we've got a solution for you because we've been doing co-managed IT services for years, and we're the first ones, and the only ones really, to actually write and formulate the strategy. So let's talk about it. And let's see you January 20th from 2 to 3 p.m. And if you want, bring along your boss, the CEO, or whoever you report to, because this can be helpful to them as well. We're not going to talk about replacing you because we don't need to, but we are going to talk about making you more productive, making you more powerful, and making you more secure in your position, because after all, that's what it's all about. And by the way, if you want either of these copies of the book, let me know. Either DM me or email me, bob@simplex-it.com, and sign up in the link here for the webinar, again, January 20th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern. Hope to see you there. What other webinars should we be doing? Comments below. No Star Wars.